but it's an honor and privilege for me to be here and to talk to you guys because sir requested me to motivate you. So you guys must be paying for exams, है ना? अभी March, right? Okay, so I'll not waste much time of yours. You are very busy. I know there's a lot of pressure. And so I am Dr. Archit Agarwal. I am an orthopedic surgeon. So my interests are mostly trauma surgery, joint replacements, and sports medicine. So let me just change this. Yes. So I'll just a very quick review about me because you should know who's talking to you. So I did my MBBS like 10 years back. Then I did my MS. Then I did my MCH in joint replacement in UK. Then after that I went to Germany, did some fellowships there. I was there for a year and a half, and then I came back to India again, took another degree while working. So it's a DNB program. I'm eligible for it once you complete your post graduation. So it's like another postgraduate exam. So I don't know how many of you are from the bio side. Like I was from math and bio both. So I kept all my options open even till the end. So then I did I was honored with MNAMS after doing all these, passing all these exams and all. So you get it's a honorary thing which you get. So after that I did all these fellowships. I was again in AIIMS Delhi for a few months training. It was, I was selected for a fellowship there. So lots of exposure, not much of concern to you. Currently also I'm studying, that's important because I tell you why it's important. I'm still reading and I'm still learning. I'm pursuing doing two courses, one from International Olympic Committee and another from EULA. It's a European organization for rheumatology. It's the worldwide organization which makes all the recommendations for rheumatology. Rheumatology, you understand guys? Like it's a disease where all your joints are arthritis. Yes, that's the easy way to understand. Okay, so why am I here today? Sir asked me to motivate you guys. See, first of all, this online module, some of you are attending there, some of you are here. I don't know what's good and what's bad because I have been in a module only where I could attend classes like this. So I was not I was on the other side of the table not very long back, just 15. I think probably 15, 17.
2002 you joined. 2002 and 9. Yes.
So 2014 and so 16 years back. Okay, I don't feel that old years yet, but still in comparison to today's world, I am a little bit, now on the more older side. Especially with the technology, it's evolving. You can do all these fancy things these days. These were not possible in my time, and so. Some basic things. How many of you have bio here? Anybody? Yes? Okay. Not many, huh? No, not much.
Maybe hand one, sir.
Never mind. What I am going to talk is something about life, just general things. So in very short, I'll just tell you 10. These are just 10 PPTs, huh? Just 10 things which maybe will help you a little bit to get a little motivation. So. Whatever you do, just enjoy it, हाँ? Be passionate about it. जो भी करना है अच्छे मन से करना है, खुश होके करना है. घास भी काटनी है तो ऐसे काटनी है कि कोई गलती ना निकाल सके उसमें. ठीक है? So whatever you do it with all your passion and feel and energy, है ना? So whatever you will do, चाहे you will be in maths, you will be in biology, you will be in commerce, whatever you are studying, do it with passion, है ना? Interest से. If you do it for the sake of doing it, then you will never excel at it and neither will you enjoy it. So until unless you enjoy, you will not go very far. So it's important. I know it's very early in your life. It's difficult to find out what you enjoy and what you want to do and what you're passionate about. Slowly you will figure out. You're very young at this age. It takes time. It took me a few years to realize that I want to be a surgeon and I cannot sit only in the OPD and be a physician. So I realized that what gives me the kick, what gives me the thrill, and what gives me the motivation to read, to study, and there was a point of time when I was in your chairs and I used to feel 12th पढ़ लेंगे पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी, कॉलेज पढ़ लेंगे पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर लेंगे पढ़ाई खत्म हो जाएगी, पढ़ाई will never end. If you stop learning, you're doomed. ठीक है? So whatever it is, do it with full interest. Life is like sandwiches. This is my own funda. ठीक है? Every day it will go up and down 10 or 20 times a day, and every day is a new start. You wake up every morning, think of it, take a target, you have to achieve something. You may or you may not achieve. So just accept it and move forward, because every day you will have some, something which will pull you down and something which will take you up. So it's a constant process. It's an evolution. It's a journey. So just keep moving into it. Enjoy it. Okay? Then don't give up. Whatever you want to do, you want to achieve, keep moving towards it. Sometimes you'll just make 0.01% progress. Sometimes you'll make 10%. Sometimes you'll do you'll be there at your target. So never give up. Keep moving. Okay? So it's a long journey. It's a very beautiful journey. It's just that you have to have the motivation to keep aiming for it. Okay? I mean, just a very rough, way of keeping your targets. This is very early in the year, still February. You can still have lots of targets in your year. Every year, try to do something new. Make a list of 50 new things. You might end up doing only 10 out of them, and 9 of or maybe everything fails. But something might succeed, and whatever that succeeds will show up to the world, and that is what will make your name as this person, so and so is successful in doing this. Then people will only see those. They will only see that so and so has done this thing and he is a successful person. So people only see what you have achieved, what you have failed at, what you have tried, what you have learned cannot be done. They don't see that. So that is a natural process. So that happens. So try something, keep a target to yourself. Do 50 new things. I'm sure you will achieve some of them. Keep learning. I believe in this very strongly. I am 33. I am a new parent. I have a daughter now, 2 months old, and still I want to learn, because it helps me to know more about my subject. It helps me to treat my patients better. Not just this, if you are an engineer, if you are a scientist, keep learning. Keep learning, not because you have to give some exam. Damn it, exams ho jayenge, khatam ho jayenge. After degrees, results, certificates, especially after this COVID and online things, it's very easy to get a piece of paper where you are having a degree. Okay? It's just a license. It doesn't make you a successful person. It's a license to do something. I have a graduation, so it's a license. I did my MBBS, then I did my MS in orthopedics, so I have a license to do orthopedic surgery. It doesn't make me a good surgeon. Only my patients today, on whom I deal and on whom I operate, can tell what I am. Okay? So similarly, that's possible only if you keep learning, keep evolving. So learning is very important. It should never end. Don't take it कि आज 12th हो गई, ये किताब खत्म हो गई तो life की learning खत्म हो गई. Learning has to go on. Believe in yourself and God. Okay? If God is there, He'll take care of everything. बाकी you have to believe in yourself. Okay? Because until unless you have faith in yourself, trust me, nobody else will believe in you. Until unless you say yes, I can do it, nobody else will say yes, he can do it. Okay? So it's you who has to first say yes, I will do it. Yes, I will achieve. You may or you may not. That is a different story. But at least have faith in yourself. If you cannot believe in you, then how will others believe in you? How will you market yourself to the world? How will you present yourself to the world? So it's very important you have faith in yourself. Be innovative. Keep trying something new. Don't be in a version of this copying. Okay? Only China should do that. We should innovate. We need to keep producing something new. Why is India behind in research? Now we are picking up a little bit, because in India we don't promote people to think out of the box. It's the same book, it's the same chapters, it's the same same formulas and maths that we are learning every day, and just cut, copy and paste. It's like garbage in and you just vomit it out in the papers. So that happens in the school time. I don't know how far it's still applicable to the schooling system, but once you move down to the college very soon, because 12th mein ho, you will by default pass. Nobody fails these days. So try to think something new. Try to solve problems which nobody else can solve. So once you try to solve a problem, you will obviously come up with something new. You will be innovative. That's what is innovation. This is what matters, not the money. Okay, time is what matters. Time is money is being said. आपको बॉलीवुड में और टीवी सीरियल में सुनने मिलता है, but that's not true. It is the time which matters. This is your biggest asset. ठीक है? Time you have to make the most of it. So be very critical about how you spend your time. So until unless you keep this in your mind, it is very difficult to keep a track of how you are progressing. So nobody else will do, sir will not do, your parents will not do. It's you who has to keep a check on yourself, because others can only talk and speak and guide. I can only tell you, but this is what will matter. This is the biggest thing I feel. I mean, this is how I believe. I might be, you might not be agreeing with what I say, but I feel this is what is the biggest asset. It is about what speed at which you are progressing in life. So whatever you study today, whatever exams you give today, will shape up your next 5 years. So आज की मेहनत जो करोगे अगले 5 साल बाद वहाँ मिलोगे. So don't try 3 years down the line. I could have done that. I would have done that. You should have told me that. Nothing doing. What you do today will be the foundation stone of where you will be 3 years, 5 years down the line. So it is important that you take today. Live in today. Build your today, your future will be bright on its own. So this is something which I keep trying to do and I keep trying to excel at. So I would recommend you guys to do it, because time is limited. You have to sleep, you have to eat, you have to work out, you have to read, you have to play, you have to build relationships, you have to have so much, there's so much to do in life. So if you can take several things together, you will be happier and more successful.
मैंने को था कि हमारी पर्सनल मीटिंग, बट पॉइंट इज कि आज बहुत अच्छे मुकाम पे बच्चा है. मैं तो बच्चे ही बोलूँगा, ठीक है, लेकिन ये अच्छे मुकाम पर है तो इसलिए 33, 43 लेकिन एक बात तो रहती है कि बच्चे, हमको याद है 10th में था, तब 10th में 2004 में, एग्जैक्टली 2004 में आया, साइकिल पे आया, रिजल्ट आया, कितना आया, 95 आया, और यही था. तो थोड़ा सा परेशान, 97 आ जाता पक्का. एंड इसने मैथ्स में इतनी मेहनत करी, तो 12th में इसका एग्जैक्ट 99, हाँ यहाँ लिखा होगा, लिखा 99. एक क्वेश्चन छोटा सा था. तो ये चीज़ है कितना प्रिसाइजली ये बच्चा करता था और कितनी मेहनत करता था. मैंने 4 साल लगातार देखा इसको, 4 years. उसके बाद फिर पुणे चला गया, फिर थोड़ा कांटेक्ट कम हो गया, लेकिन यही है, कांटेक्ट कम हो ही जाते हैं क्योंकि बच्चा दूसरे फील्ड में चला जाता है, मेहनत करता है. लेकिन एक पैशनेट, बहुत पैशन, शुरू से बहुत पैशन कि करना है. डे 1 से ज़्यादा ये चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं बच्चों का आगे का फ्यूचर का सोच कर. और सबसे बड़ी बात, अपना तो था ही था बहुत इसका. ये क्लास 10 में था जब जर्मनी हो गया था, 11th में था. तो एनआई की तरफ से ही हमारे स्कूल में कुछ था जिसका उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट स्पॉन्सर किया. अच्छा, उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट ने स्पॉन्सर भी किया, तो फिर जर्मनी हो गया. तो स्कूल की तरफ से, स्कूल के एंड से मिला था, जाकर के हो गया. फिर उसके बाद फेलोशिप के लिए तो जर्मनी गए थे, यूके गया. तो बहुत एक लंबी वो टाइम के बाद कहा गया कि सेटल, पर बहुत बड़ी एज भी नहीं हुई, 3 years में. ये अच्छा है कि हम सब चीज़ें कर रहे हैं. अपना एक क्लिनिक भी है, जो मिसेज हैं वो भी रेडियोलॉजिस्ट हैं, खुद भी ONGC हॉस्पिटल में स्टेंड कर रहे हैं, और भी बहुत सारी जगहों पर. तो ये चीज़ें आप पहले मेहनत करेंगे तभी कुछ लाइफ में निकल कर गया. लेकिन हम लोग, क्योंकि इस टाइम जो मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, इस टाइम एजुकेशन सिस्टम का जो हाल है बहुत मुश्किल है. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, मैं बता रहा हूँ, बच्चों का जो हाल है कि अगर बच्चे को 10 मिनट कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं मिलता तो वो गूगल करता है, वो एफर्ट.
That is the problem which I face in my clinic. Patients don't want to trust the doctor. They want to Google. They want to trust the Google more. So Google is a boon as well as a curse. So it depends on us how well we use it, है ना? You can learn everything online, but you cannot. I mean, there is a way to go about it.
बहुत इतना बच्चों को किसी एक को भी मतलब हो जाए, किसी एक की भी लाइफ बनती हो इस सेशन से। ये हमारा पर्सनल था, तो मैंने पब्लिक करने की कोशिश करी कि मुझे लगता है कि सबके साथ में क्योंकि हो जाएगा तो एक बात ये हो जाएगा कि हम लोग तो पर्सनली मिलने वाले थे, लेकिन मुझे लगा कि सब बच्चों के साथ एक इंटरेक्शन होगा, कुछ मिलता है। एंड इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में हमारी 2:30 बजे बात हुई है, 2:45 बजे, और पीपीटीज भी रेडी हो गई और उसके बाद ही डिड इट। मतलब यही तो होता है, यही तो होता है काम करने का तरीका। आके बोल भी सकते थे, लेकिन आपके लिए थोड़ा एक बार इसको एक बार फिर चला दे।
हाँ।